ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC mentakasi ke arpesan terik uyeyong arajar arpesan kala Pynlong ke Jingthang ke Mombati ha ka jaka trei kam jongka ha Congress Bhawan Thana Road Shillong bat hatura kane ke Jingelang kalongkum kadak ban peni ke Jingsngewlem ye ki lanot ki Jingshah Sïat yap ha ka Jinghiat ma ki leno bat ki bahaying ha sem jongki ki bala du no ela ka jong ka Jingim ha ka Jingjah Sïat ha Pahalgam ha Jammu and Kashmir kinong trei ka Congress na ki seng beper ki berdan hakmat kentup ya ka Youth Congress ka Mahila Congress ka Sevadal bat ki blok hakeleng ka nongba bat ki jaka ki marjan sor ki lawan ban ye shimbenta na ka Jingbun pat ha ka ne ka janmit Hakane ka Jingsngewlem ka Presiden ka MPCC Mahila ka Kong Joplin Shela kala ay ka Khubor Ngewlem na du ka donut jongka kala penpau ka Jingsngewlem ka bakraw halor ka Jingduno ya ki mensim ki bakordar bat ki bomdon pom bat kala ay buram ya ki balkhlat no ka Jingthang ya ka ding ha ki Mombati ka longkum ka Jingpen kan mau ka Jingjah Ngewlem bat ka Jingpen shisha ka Jingeteli jong ka Longying Congress bat ki Longying ki bala shakta ha ka te ki Jingjah
Aru yarang ni kemen song mai kotak kem kote chinga wijan di panak miskani China kasabe ba phaiso ndake chingni.
On behalf of the Congress Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, we have assembled here today in the afternoon for a candlelight vigil, and we've got representation from just about quite a lot of people, especially from Mahila, especially the Youth Congress and so on and so forth, to express our condolence for the bereaved families, especially the families that have lost the bread earners in the Pahalgam massacre. We believe that as a country, we should stand together. This is nothing to do with politics. It's everything to do with the country as a whole. And as Indians, we have every right to demand justice. We have every right to stick together as a country and ensure that whoever the perpetrators of this violent act should be dealt with a very firm hand. And we believe that as a country we are strong enough to show the world that we as Indians should not allow such things to happen in our country that we love so much. And I believe that as a Congress, we are always there to give moral support to the government which is in play, and we can only hope and pray that God will be with the families and take care of them, especially at this time at this hour in which they have so much difficulty. And we'd like to express our condolence, and we'd like to show the whole world that as a country, I think this is the only time that we need to be together and show solidarity for each and every religion, and not allow the religious fanatics to take control and to take over and to start the blame game everywhere. Because I believe that such a heinous act of cowardice should not be tolerated, and as a country we'll come out much stronger by being together. And we believe so as a Congress party that at this time especially we need to be together. And I thank each and every members who had come today, quite a lot of us. And we'd like to show that at least from the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee and from the Meghalaya people as such, we are there as one with the government, with the country as a whole. And thank you so much. And we hope and pray that the families, the bereaved families especially, will overcome this dark phase in their lives. And we hope and pray that truth will prevail, and especially justice will prevail for all of them.